Hi class. Today we're going to go over how to build a frequency table. So I specifically want to look at the variable sex. Remember, under the two tabs on the bottom, variable view shows us what the variable name is. It shows us what the label is. So sex corresponds to respondent sex. Values shows us what the label actually mean. For example, if you click on the little three dots, it will show you that 1 equals male, 2 equals female, and it is a nominal variable, okay? If you go to data view, you can actually remember the left is the respondents. There's 1,500 respondents, and on the top columns, these are the variables. So if you look at the sex column, it'll tell you that respondent is a male. Second respondent is also a male. Third respondent is female. So on and so forth. Now there's 1,500 responses. So it's much easier if we can actually build a frequency table and look at the overall number of how many male and how many are female in this sample. So you go to analyze, you go to descriptive statistics, you go to frequency, and as you can see, I have already populated the variables from the last exercise, but I'll go ahead and move these variables back first. Now, what you might see right now, I'm looking at the variable names. You might, if you right click, you can actually see display variable labels. It will actually give you the overall, the longer name for which the variable stands for, but it's actually harder to search this way. So just go ahead and right click, display variable names. These are in alphabetical order. So if sex, it will be under S. So we can move that over. We can look at a different variable also at the same time. You can look at how many ever variable you want. So you will also, for example, I'll look at religion and then display frequency table. Make sure that's checked. Press OK. And here you are. Okay. Now you can see it'll tell you that this is just a basic frequency. There's 1,500 respondents, remember, in this GSS data. Respondent sex, there are 1,500, so all 1,500 people actually answered this question. Respondents' religious preference, on the other hand, 13 people did not answer this question, so you have the valid answer of 1487. Now, to look at our first frequency table on respondent sex, as you can see, there are 686 male and 814 female in this sample. As you can see, because everybody answered the question, percent and valid percent are going to be the same. Okay. On the other hand, for religious preference, we have majority 753 who are Protestant. Again, remember there are 1,500 respondents and only 1,487 of them answered. So in the percent, the 100% actually includes everyone who answered and not answered. So in looking at the valid percent, this is the nice thing about SPSS because it takes out all the missing answers for you. So most of the time we're going to be using valid percentage, which just takes out the missing answers. Okay, that's why the 100% equals the 1487 here. Again, cumulative percent is just adding one or the first percentage to the second percentage, so on and so forth to get these percentage. Okay, so here again you can see majority of the respondents in this survey are Protestant. Okay, so this is how you build a frequency table. Thank you.